quite on the set now. Hi. So we're going to be doing a 1/10 serial dilution of a 10% solution of copper sulfate. First, you have to measure out 18 mLs of water, and you'll add the solution that you make prior to each test tube that has the 18 mLs. So first we're going to show you how to measure out the 18 mLs. And you pour from the beaker, and then as you get closer to the 18 mark, you stop pouring with the beaker, and then you use the squeeze bottle. We measured out the other test tubes with 18 mLs prior just so that we wouldn't waste time. And the reason why it looks like they're different levels is because the test tubes are different sizes. So that's the measured 20 mLs. So put in this one. Oh, 18 mLs. My bad. And then you want to take, first you want to use the 10% solution. And you'll use a pipette since it's a very small aliquot. And you'll measure out 2 mLs of the original stock solution, that is 10%. Good? Okay. And once you get those 2 mLs, you pour it into the first test tube. And because you added 2 mLs to 18 mLs, if you put that into a percentage, then that's 10%. And so the solution is getting diluted by 1/10 of what it originally was. And that is now a 1% solution, and it has 20 mLs of it. So then you clean out your pipette, and you take some of the 1% solution, and you measure out 2 mLs of it, preferably in a different test tube, and in clinical settings with samples that I guess are more important, you'd want to use completely sterile supplies. But for this, it's not as important. So then you pour that into the second test tube that's filled with water. And now that's diluted 1/10 of the solution that was previously made. So instead of a 1% solution, it's a 0.1% solution. And you just keep going. So you take 2 mLs of the solution you just made, and you measure that out. And then you'd put it in the next test tube with 18 mLs. And you just keep going until you have the solutions that you want. Do the last one. And as you can see, the color gets more pale with every dilution because it's getting diluted and it's less concentrated. So in the end, every test tube should have, well, the 3 in the middle should have 18 mLs because you took 2 mLs out of it, and the last one should have 20 mLs, but they're all the same consistent solution. So it goes from 10% to 1% to 0.1% to 0.01% and then to 0.001%. You can either take your stock solution and you can put parafilm over it, or you can put it in the test tube. Don't pour it all. And then if you want to store your solutions, you would put parafilm on every one carefully so that you don't break the test tube. And yeah. And you can also label the test tube rack with what's on the solution, what's in each test tube. And that's it.